Meaning of disintegrate.
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 Disintegrate. The word disintegrate refers to the process of breaking apart or decomposing into smaller pieces or particles. The result of disintegration can be a complete breakdown of the original object or substance into individual components, often rendering it unusable or irreparable. It can also refer to the dissolution of a group or organization, resulting in its fragmentation and loss of cohesion. Disintegration can be caused by a variety of factors such as physical force, chemical reactions, or natural decay over time. Ultimately, the end result of disintegration is a loss of form and function.